Riding a bicycle can be so much fun. People do it for exercise, people do it for recreation, people do it for their families. I taught my children how to ride their bicycles. It's a memory that will live with me forever. My parents taught me how to ride a bicycle, and it's really an enjoyable pastime. But it can also be very dangerous. So many times we see people who are riding their bicycles and they're hit by a car, driven by somebody who's not paying attention, driven by somebody who's texting, who simply isn't paying attention to the rules of the road. And these injuries can be serious. They can be fatal sometimes. And families are left wondering where to go, what to do to get compensated for lost wages, for medical bills, for pain and suffering, for loss of enjoyment of life, for disfigurement. There are so many traps for somebody who's out there who does not understand where to go to get help for these issues. For instance, if somebody's riding their bicycle and they're hurt so badly they can't go to work, what do they do to get those lost wages? Well, they should seek legal representation to understand that they can get lost wages from the vehicle's insurance company that hit them. What about their medical bills? Well, certainly if a person has health insurance, their health insurance will pay for some of their medical bills. Others will be paid for by the vehicle's insurance for the person that was at fault for causing the crash. What about for loss of enjoyment of life, disfigurement, scarring, disability? Where do they go? Well, the person who hit you on your bicycle, hit your family member on your bicycle, their insurance company may be responsible for paying all of those items if it is proven that that vehicle driver was more than 50% at fault, was at fault for causing that crash. It is a very dangerous thing to go out there and try to make these claims on your own if you don't understand how the process works. It's important that you seek legal representation, seek qualified legal representation so that you can be sure that you or your family member are properly taken care of.